It's time to dig out. Who wants to help?
But I think I know how they might have done it. See, a bunch of people working together can do stuff that no one of them could do alone. Like survive some tough times or start new countries and stuff. I bet the pioneers were people like us. We all still kind of need each other's help, but just sort of forget it a lot of the time. I'm finished!
If your power is out, keep watching this station, and we'll tell you when to expect it to be turned on again.
The power's back on!
Hold it, young lady. A snowball doesn't belong in the house.
But I want to freeze it.
Why?
Because this was the best day of my life, and I always want to keep a piece of it.
Okay, but put it on a plate so it doesn't stick to the freezer.